So how loud is this Zoom wash? It was designed for churches and weddings, so it has its own customized fan built into it, and it is designed to be quiet. Now, is it completely quiet? No. But it's quieter than some of the other light fixtures I've reviewed on here, including SHEHDS, Zoom washes. I am about 6 inches away from the back exhaust fan on here. I'm going to let you guys listen in and see how loud it is for yourself. Now, I am going to take the pan and flip the unit around so the fan is no longer facing you guys. And that's the difference in noise volume. Now we're 6 inches away from the front element of the light fixture, and as you can see, it's not as loud, obviously, as if it was pointed in the back. And here's the fan noise when pointed to the exhaust fan. Now we're going to go ahead and see how loud it is from 5 feet away. We are now about 5 feet away from the unit. It is running at full intensity on both its dimmer and strobe channel, so it is the brightest the LEDs will get and also the hottest they're going to get. So this is how loud the fan is from 5 feet away.